Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to cook something special. We're going to make some fried chestnuts. So I hope you guys love chestnuts and I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit on like and subscribe towards the end of the video. Grab a pen and paper for our ingredients, which are very simple and easy to grab from your pantry. We'll be needing water chestnuts, spring onions, flour, cornflour, soy sauce, vegetable oil, and tomato puree. Water chestnuts are very common to Asia and all other tropical countries around the globe. It is very common in Asian cooking, and it is also a very good source of fiber. So for our first step, what we need to do is to actually put the water chestnuts into a bigger bowl so we can add in the flour, which is about 2 teaspoons of flour and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch into it. So we don't really need a lot because we're just actually coating the water chestnuts before we fry them. And then once you've added in your cornstarch and plain flour, just mix them all up and make sure that it's properly coated. So if you feel like you need more cornstarch or flour to coat it, just don't hesitate to add more, just like what I'm doing now. And we don't actually need to season them at this point as well, because it wouldn't really matter, because later on we will be adding some soy sauce and tomato puree towards the end. So at this stage, all we really need is just the coating mixture, which is the flour and the cornstarch. And now that's ready, we'll go ahead and start frying the water chestnuts. In a heated pan, add about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to start frying the water chestnuts. Stir every now and then just to make sure that the water chestnuts are properly cooked. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes for the water chestnuts to fully cooked, so just be patient in frying your water chestnuts. You will know that it's cooked because the water chestnuts will turn into light brown in color. Once your fried water chestnuts are cooked, move it into a bowl with a kitchen towel at the bottom to absorb the excess oil. Now moving on to the next stage, we'll use the same frying pan with less vegetable oil to cook our sauce. Add the spring onions, and then of course add the soy sauce, which is about 1/4 cup of it. And then later on, add the tomato puree, which is about 2 tablespoons. As soon as you add the tomato puree, mix them all together and let it simmer for a few minutes. If the mixture looks too dry, don't be scared to add a splash of water until we achieve the desired thickness. You may also opt to add a teaspoon of sugar to add a little bit of sweetness to our fried water chestnuts. Once ready, you may go ahead and add the fried water chestnuts into the mixture and mix it well until all of it are covered or coated properly with the sauce. sprinkle more spring onion to add more flavor and color to our recipe. If you want it saucy, just leave it as it is, but if you prefer it dry, just fry it a little bit longer. After a minute, your fried water chestnuts should now be ready, and you can go ahead and serve it to the rest of the family and enjoy it with pickled vegetables or rice on the side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you've tried this, please don't forget to comment down below. And if you like it, please click on like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you again next time, and watch out for our next recipe here at the Veganation. Bye!